If you're trying to launch a giveaway using form tools and you want a clear, simple walkthrough, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. And if you stick around to the end, I'll tell you the one mistake most people make that ruins their entire giveaway and how to avoid it. I tested all the most popular form tools, and the software we'll use today is the one I recommend. There's also an exclusive free trial for it in the description, only for viewers of my channel, Dan Thorne, so if you want to follow along, that's where to start. Let's jump in. First, go to the software and create a new form. Choose a blank template or a giveaway style one if it's available. Title it something simple but exciting, like "Enter to win a free iPad" or whatever your offer is. Next, add the core fields you need: name, email, and one custom field like "Why do you want to win?" if you want to add some personality. Keep it simple. Too many fields reduce signups. Now go to your settings or logic tab and turn on entry limits if needed, and make sure the form sends a confirmation email. That way users know they're in. Bonus points if you add a share to get more entries option. This drives viral growth. Then connect the form to your email list, or even better, your CRM or marketing tool. This is where the form tool shines. The one we're using integrates with most email providers, and you can even tag people automatically so your giveaway audience is organized. Next, customize the success message. Don't just say thanks. Use that space to say, "You're entered, check your email." Want more chances to win? Share this link with friends. This boosts engagement. For appearance, make sure the form looks clean on both desktop and mobile. Most tools have built-in responsive designs, but double-check it before going live. Once your form is done, embed it on your site or use the standalone link provided by the software. I recommend a clean landing page with just your form, a strong headline, and maybe a countdown timer to create urgency. Before you promote it, test everything. Submit a fake entry, check if it goes through, and if the email gets delivered. And finally, share your giveaway everywhere: social media, email, even your bio links. Use urgency. Only 3 days left to enter. Works every time. Here's the key takeaway: launching a giveaway using form tools doesn't have to be complicated. The real power is in simplicity and follow-through. Use a solid form, automate the email follow-up, and give people a reason to share. Quick recap: build a form with only the fields you need, connect it to your email list, customize the success page, and test it before launching. Then promote it with urgency and clear instructions. And before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of the software we used, linked below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and it'll make your first giveaway smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching.